Hey there, shoe enthusiasts. Ever looked down at your beloved Cariuma kicks and thought, man, these need a good clean? Well, today, I'm here to show you how to clean your Cariuma shoes like a pro. It's easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need some basic supplies. Grab a soft bristled brush, mild detergent, a bowl of warm water, a clean cloth, and some paper towels. Got everything? Great. Step 1. Remove the laces and insoles from your shoes. This will make it easier to clean every nook and cranny. Now, take your soft bristled brush and gently brush off any loose dirt or debris from the surface of your shoes. Be thorough but gentle to avoid damaging the fabric. Once you've got the loose dirt off, it's time to move on to the next step. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water in your bowl. Dip your brush into the soapy water and give it a little shake to remove excess liquid. Now, carefully scrub the surface of your shoes in circular motions. Focus on any stained or dirty areas, but remember to be gentle. After you've scrubbed the entire shoe, take your clean cloth and dampen it with some fresh water. Wipe down the shoes to remove any soapy residue. You don't want to leave any soap behind, as this can attract more dirt in the long run. Now it's time to dry your shoes. Stuff them with paper towels to help them retain their shape and absorb excess moisture. Leave them to air dry in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Patience is key here. Don't rush the drying process. While your shoes are drying, let's not forget about the laces and insoles. Soak the laces in the soapy water for a few minutes, then gently scrub them with your brush. Rinse them thoroughly and let them air dry. For the insoles, give them a quick wipe down with a damp cloth and let them air out. Once everything is dry, reassemble your shoes by putting the insoles and laces back in. And there you have it. Your Cariuma shoes are looking fresh and clean, ready to hit the streets again. Cleaning your Cariuma shoes doesn't have to be a chore. With these simple steps, you can keep them looking great and extend their lifespan. So go ahead, give your shoes the TLC they deserve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome shoe care tips. Catch you in the next one.